Okay, welcome class to lesson 5-1. Today our learning target is going to be to derive the distance formula. First off, let's cover some vocabulary we're going to be using. First term is going to be the Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system is a way to determine the position of a point or object on a plane. The coordinate is in the form of the x variable and the y variable. Y variable. Often just the x or the y. Okay, so if I have a point, say, let's make it 1, 4. All right, x is 1 and y is 4. So I come over 1 and up 4. My x value and my y value. Okay. Next term is origin. This is a point where the vertical or the y-axis and the horizontal x-axis intersect each other. Intersect is just another word for where they cross. Okay, so here's my y line and my x line. Where they cross is right here at the origin. And the coordinate on my x-axis is 0 and the coordinate on my y-axis is 0. So the position for this point is 0, 0. Okay? Alright, let's try this a little bit. Let's plot the points P at 1, 3 and Q at 10, 7. So my x value here is 1 and my y value is 3. At Q, my x value is 10 and my y value is 7. And we're going to plot those on the coordinate plane and then draw line PQ. X is 1, 3. Right here. I'm sorry, that's P. P is at 1, 3. And Q, x value is 10, so if I come over on the x-axis to 10, and up on the y to 7. So let's come over here, and I'm having a hard time following. There we go. So here's my Q at 10, 7. Okay? Now we're going to draw that line segment from P to Q. Alright, so we've got that done. Now, we're going to draw the line segment PR and the vertical segment PQ. So let's draw the horizontal line segment PR first. So we're going to come over here from P over towards Q. Okay? And we're going to come down from Q towards P. And where these cross is going to be my point R. If you look at this, you're going to notice these make a right triangle. This right triangle is PQR with a right angle at the vertex R. Okay, now let's find out what the coordinates of that point are. So here my x point is 10, and when I go up, my y value is 3. So my x and my y. Alright, now let's give you guys a chance to try it on this next one. Plot the points A, B, and C. And then when you're confident, you can go on to the next video. If you need help from your teacher, please ask.